Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to use our self-check machines. They're very easy. So the first thing you're going to want to have is your library card. That is required to use the self-check machines. So after you have your library card in the book that you would like to check out, all you do is scan the barcode right underneath this red laser, and this screen will pull up that says place items on the scan bed to check out. Now you don't need to scan the barcode of the book to actually check out your book. You simply lay it down, and once you hear that little beep with the green bar over here, you'll know that your book is ready to be checked out. All you do is say done, and you select how you would like your receipt. And that's all there is to it. If you have more than one book, you can simply lay them on top of each other in a stack, and as long as all of those bars are green, you're good to go.